In this video, I'm going to show you how to create something like this. This is called mirror text effect in Capcut, or cinematic text tutorial, or cinematic text intro. I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to go to the text tab right here. Then add a default text on the timeline. Next, set the duration of the text, that is how long you want the text to show. For me, I will choose 8 seconds long. Next, come to this box here, then change the default text to something that you want. For me, I will choose reflection. The next thing I want to do is to choose a bold font that will make the text to be very visible and clearly seen. So I will come here, click here, then I will choose the one I want, which is impact. The next thing, you can increase the size of the text if you want. For me, I will just leave it at 15. Next, come to character spacing, increase it to your desired results. For me, I will just leave it as some here 11. Next, come to the timeline. We want to duplicate this text into 2 by pressing Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy and Ctrl V to paste, just like this. So we now have 2 texts, the same thing. This one is the first one, while this top one is the second one. Remember, this one here is the first one, the one down is the first one, while the one at the top is the second one. So select the first one, right click, then go to this option that says create compound clip. Do the same thing with the top one, select it, right click, then create compound clip. Still on the top one, go to effects, search for mirror. Let's add the mirror effect to it. Once you have found it, click and drag it to the top clip here. As you can see, the mirror effect has taken place. Next, adjust the position of both clips so that it will have that mirror like effect by dragging down. Just take it easy, click and drag down a little. Go back to the top clip. We want to rotate it to 180 degrees. So come to video tab, then go to this option that says rotate. Type in 180 degree here. As you can see, it has been rotated. Next, import your desired video that you want to add this reflection to. Just import it, go to media, import it. For me, I'll just click and drag my video and put it at the bottom. Next, press Shift Ctrl on your keyboard and select both clip. What this will do is that this will highlight both of the clip, as you can see on the timeline. Now I want to reposition both clip to fit the background of this video, so I'll just put it somewhere here. Alright, select the top clip. As you can see, go back to video category. Now go down until you see this option that says blend. You want to click on it. Change the blend mode to something like overlay. As you can see, the text has been overlaid. Now you want to reduce the opacity to your desired result. For me, I will just leave it at some here. Next, make sure the top clip is still being selected. I want to add wave effect to this top clip, so I will come to the search bar. First of all, go to effects, then search for ripple. This is ripple. Once you find it, just click and drag it and drop it on the top clip right here. We are going to adjust 2 things here. The first one is strength and the second one is twist. Adjust the strength to 0. Adjust the twist to some here 19. Let's play to see how it looks like. Now you can see that it's amazing. Alright, so let's add a masking transition. Select the bottom clip, which is the first one right here at the bottom. Select it, go to the video category, go to mask, then add mask. Choose the first one that says split. Now you want to rotate this split mask into 180 degrees. by rotating this way, as you can see me doing. Next, change the position of this mask to hide this text completely by clicking and dragging, as you can see. Alright, make sure the playhead is at the starting point. Also make sure that this button clip is still being selected. Now we want to add keyframe. Now come to the mask position, which is right here. Click on this diamond shape to add keyframe. Next, move the playhead to somewhere a little bit further. Let's just say 3 to 4 seconds. Yeah, 3 to 4 seconds. After that, add another keyframe by clicking the same place. Still at the second keyframe, move this mask position to show the text. Just move it upward like this. Next, select the top clip, which is this top one here. Go to video category. Then let's add mask effect again, this time to the top clip. Click on it, click on split, rotate it to 180 degree, just like this. Alright, after rotating to 180 degree, change the position to hide the text completely by clicking and dragging upward. Next, make sure this playhead is at the starting point. Go back to keyframe. Let's add the keyframe to this position. Click this diamond shape here to add keyframe. Now move the playhead to 3-second mark, just like the first one. After that, change the mask position to reveal the text by clicking downward, and that is it. Let's play it to see how it looks like. Alright guys, so this is how we come to the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I will see you in my next video.